I wish to take this opportunity and announce that I have decided, after consultation with the ANC leadership in the province, to release MEC Msibi, responsible for agriculture, rural development, land and affairs, land and environmental affairs department, from his position in the Provincial Executive Council with immediate effect. I am doing so in light of his much publicized detention yesterday on the 11th of October 2021. The decision to release MEC Msibi has been taken in consideration of the seriousness of the charges he is facing, as well as the impact that same will have on his work as the executive authority in government. After all, it is to be expected that he should dedicate a fair amount of time to the case he is facing. It is common cause that the governing ANC has set itself a particular moral standard that all of us as its public representative have to abide by. Whilst I release MEC Msibi from his role and responsibilities, I wish to emphasize and accordingly observe the two basic pillars of the jurisprudence: the right to be presumed innocent until proven otherwise, and the right to equality before the law. In the meantime, I have determined that MEC for Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs, MEC Busisiwe Shiva, will continue to act in the Department of Agriculture, Rural Development, Land and Environmental Affairs until it would have been filled substantively. Mandla Msibi is a comrade of mine, whom I have known and worked with for many years. I hold him in a very high regard, and I shall continue to do so until proven otherwise. In this regard, I can only hope that this unfortunate event will afford him an opportunity to reflect deeply. It remains for me to thank Comrade Mandla Msibi for his commitment during his tenure as MEC in the Mpumalanga provincial government.